Paperless movement, your productivity, your way.
I'm so excited that Reflect is now a verified partner of the Paperless movement. As part of this verification process, they provided our members a 30-minute deep dive video exploring in detail how to best use their awesome note-taking tool. What I personally love about Reflect though is the top-notch AI implementation, allowing for custom prompt templates and their focus on catering to individuals instead of teams, which makes it a fantastic personal knowledge management tool in your iCore framework, competing with Obsidian and Man. Today, Sam will share some highlights from the deep dive, so take it away, Sam.
Hello, Paperless Movement community. I'm super excited to talk to you today about Reflect and how you can use the tool to take better notes, to think better, and improve your productivity. Let's now talk about how to 10x your productivity with AI in your notes. So this is one I'm particularly excited to show you because our new AI integrations are so cool and I've been using it for so many different things. So let's kind of go over some examples. And first, I'll actually show you how to pull up the AI editor. So in Reflect, you can just highlight text. You can either click on the magic stars or use Command J as the shortcut. And that pulls up this AI palette editor. So in the top box, you can ask it anything. And then down below here, you see two categories. You see custom on top and system down below. These system categories are prompts that we have pre-written for you. So a bunch of different things here. And then the custom ones are custom prompts that I myself have written in Creative and saved. So that's one of the unique things about Reflect's AI palette editor. We have both open sourced our existing prompts and allow you to clone and edit a new prompt. So let's kind of look at what that looks like. For this one, let's just say rephrase my writing. That's one of the pre-built ones. And I can open up this text box here. And this is the prompt that is currently written by us in Reflect. So you can see exactly what we're asking of it. And perhaps more relevant, you can clone it. I can give it a new name. So let's say rephrase my writing like Matt Levine, one of my favorite authors here. And then I can take this and I can go to the prompt. So rewrite the text in, I'll say triple quotes below in the voice and tone Levine. And then do not return anything other than the rephrase text. That's just so that it doesn't include any of that AI filler text. And then I can save this as a new prompt. And I'm not going to save this one because I actually have this one set up already. Well, let's kind of go see how it works. So let's say we're writing a line and I'll just write something pretty boring. Today, it is dark and rainy outside. I'm really hoping the sun comes out for the weekend. Pretty boring text, but we can do this on anything. So now I'm going to pull this up and I have a couple of rephrasing ones, but let me choose the Matt Levine one, rephrase my writing like Matt Levine. And you can see it does that in the box here. And so now I have a couple options once it finishes. I can rerun it if I'm not very happy with it. I can insert the text below if it's adding to something. I can copy it if I'm using the text, or more often I use the replace one. So for this one, let's say that I'm writing a poem or an article or something. I'm going to replace that. And it now has that rephrased like Matt Levine. And of course, you can do that with any author's name. So let's do some other ones. Another one of my favorite ones that I have set up is just answer the question. So let's say I'm doing some research on something and I want to find out what the deepest ocean is. I can just type, what is the deepest ocean in the world? Select that, pull up the AI editor again, and I can just have it answer the question. There we go. Cool. That's actually a pretty good answer. It not only told me the deepest ocean, but it gave me a little bit of detail in the depth. So that's pretty good. So you could just write out questions. You could also see that I had one for execute a command. I have one for historical examples. That's great. Some of the other system ones, you can have it fix your spelling and grammar. You can have it act as an actual copy editor that fixes your writing. I use that one all the time. And I'll go over a couple other ones of these, but there's a ton of different things that you can do with it. It's very helpful for research. It's helpful for your writing. It's helpful for your meetings, as you'll see in a second. So a ton of different things that you can do with the AI assistant there.
We're done with this quick tour, but we've got an awesome deep dive video for you in our Paperless Movement membership. What are you waiting for? Join us now, watch the deep dive, and let's chat about any questions you've got. Remember, it's all about boosting your productivity your way.